Everyone, welcome to week 12 of Monday Motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see a easy crown motif. For this I have chosen a purple color yarn. To begin with, you can start from the chain stitches. So we are going to make chain stitches, double crochet, single crochet and half double crochet in this entire pattern. And also we'll be closing it with a slip stitch. So to begin with, I'm going to make the 10 chain stitches here. So now the 10 chain stitches are done. Once your 10 chain stitches are done, you have to make 2 turning chains. So which is equivalent to 1 double crochet. So I'm making 2 chain stitches and we are going to start this row. So this row is an entire double crochet row. With this 2 turning chains, I'm going to make double crochet now into the 10th stitch. So likewise you can make the entire row. So once you are done with the first row, we can start making the second row. So to make this, you have to begin with 2 chain stitches. So once you are done with the 2 chain stitches, turn your product and start making double crochets in the entire row. So once this is done, you're here now. So we are going to make this arch. So for this, I'm going to make chain stitches. Totally, we have to make 5 chains. Five. So once you are done with the 5 chain stitches, you can connect it to the third double crochet of your previous row. with an triple crochet. So now this is my third. So there I'm going to connect it with a triple crochet. So once this is done, you can make this center arch, which is 7 chain stitches. So once you are done with the 7 chain stitches, now you can connect this to the previous row now. So now I'm going to skip 4 stitches in between. 1, 2, 3, 4. And going to connect it in the this stitch. So this will be your 8th stitch on your previous row. So now we are done with the triple crochet. Now again, to maintain the symmetry, we have to make 5 chain stitches. And connect it to the last stitch, that is your 10th stitch. So once you are done till here, we are going to make single crochet in this part, in the sense where we have made the double crochets. So you should find this space in between and you can start making single crochets. As this is a double crochet stitch, this will be slightly bigger in height, so we are going to make 2 single crochets on that place. So once you are done till here, we are going to make in the base. So while doing this, you can hide this tail end as well. Now again you are in the another side of the double crochets. So here I am making this first 2 single crochets into the turning chains. Now again, as usual, you can do single crochet in the topmost loop. Now here we are into the arch part now. So here we are going to make half double crochets into the chain we made for the crown. So totally 5 half double crochets we should do here into the chain stitches. Now in this center part, first we are going to start with a single crochet followed by half double, double and triple crochet. So in the first chain I'm making a single crochet. In the next one I'm going to make a half double crochet. And in the next one double crochet. And in the next one triple crochet. So now we are done till the center part. And now to follow this symmetry we are going to make double crochet, half double and single crochet now. And we are going to make 5 half double crochets in this another part of the chain. So it's our last chain stitch. So once you are done till here, we can close this by making a slip stitch. So once the slip stitch is done, you can cut the excess. Also, we are done hiding this tail part. So I'm going to cut this as well. So once you are done till here, make a knot. Now you can hide this somewhere behind. So in 1 or 2 stitches, hide it. Just in some random places. And you can cut this. So now your crown motif is ready. This is how it looks. And if you want to make a charm, you can make a hanging here. That's it. Thank you for watching.